Okay, hello, this is hole number 1, Pro Division. This is an eagle. If you've got a high level Apocalypse or Thor's Hammer, take that. If you don't, think about using a big topper, but go with a club that you're comfortable with that offers the most top spin. You don't need a lot of carry because you're nowhere near the maximum extent of the club. So you're going to be adjusting medium distance plus 20, and you want to go with the maximum top that you can get. Around about 7 is okay. So if you are using big topper, just wind it back a little bit, and you want to be sort of up the middle of this fairway here, so right in the middle with your second bounce somewhere around about there. So similar to the playing expert, I'm looking at these shadows on the trees and I'm trying to play in between and just past them. If you just pull back, you want to be quite far away from that rough. Don't get anywhere near that because you don't want to risk clipping that and dropping into the bunker. So that's the position. I'll save. In fact, I'll do the positions later, but yeah, you want to be right there and adjust medium distance plus 20%. So that's 3.8 yards, I believe. 3.8 rings for 6 wind with the Thor 6. I'm just counter curling to the left just a little bit. I don't think you need to, but I did that just to ensure I don't roll over towards the right hand side. But like I say, that's right in the middle. I didn't need to do that. So this one gets to 335, sorry, and that leaves me. I've got a full distance chart on that. That leaves me on notebook. I'm using a power 3 ball. I'm going to use 0 elevation. I'm going to use the Hornet, and I'm going to use this slider here. And if I get to 335 yards, that's 40% on the slider. And I'll just punch some numbers in there, say 5.5 wind. That would be 3.9. Can you see in the middle box, in the green box, the middle figure as I move up and down with the slider, that changes. So if I drive to 335, that'll leave 40%. If I drive to 320, that'll leave 68%. And I'm going to do a chart for everything in between, so you've got to be super precise with your adjustments. And I'll use notebook as I play the second shot. So I'll just load the second shot up now. What you need is a short iron that's got more than 4.5 topspin, because I played 4.5 topspin on this one to reach. So 5.5 wind, I'm going to adjust 3.8 rings. So the first thing to do is add 4.5 top and full left spin. You see, I'm just a little bit short there because I've got slight headwind. I do want it to go through the hole. So you've got to make sure you've got 4.5 top spin. So that's your position. I get a bit confused on my ring adjustment because I forgot where I set up, so I sort of go back and do it twice. But it's definitely 3.8 rings that I adjust on this one. Like I say, I adjusted and then I sort of realised that I'd lost count, so I went back, set it back to where I thought I was and moved again. But yeah, 3.8 rings, which is 40% on the slider, and centre the ball perfectly and then hit perfect. And I think this one's got a really high drop rate. I've been dropping that one every single time in expert, and I'm pretty sure that one's going to drop a lot in pro as well. So that's hole number 1, Pro Division.